I don't know. Hey guys, Arthur here. Welcome back into another video. So today we're gonna be reviewing SKYLANDERS imaginators. Yeah, open it first. Why are you doing that mirror facing part of my video? Yeah. So here it is. It comes with golden queen, king pet, and a cream fire, cream crystal.
Ano na naman kayo kung lagyan ng galabit at meron pa ba akong style? Lagyan ko meron pa ako ng mga style sa maliliit.
And the king
Ito naman iba yung nililiit ko. Yan, meron na. Meron ba? Meron ba?
is in the back. I took it out.
Bakit
Here
hindi
it is.
sila? Dapat
This is kind of
equal sila na
imaginators.
nauubos. Bakit hindi sila equal na
Kasi
nauubos?
hindi
If
araw-araw
you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'll give you 9 seconds to go. 5,
Gumawa ka
4,
ng sariling family mo.
2, 1, done. So yeah, this is what it is. It's
masyado
very
siyang mahal.
good. Guys, I'll be right back.
Dismiss na yan.
Yeah, here's the game. So I'm gonna take out the. So I'm gonna take out the. Okay, the creation crystals. So it's a fire imaginator. So I'm sorry.
This is what
You got to use. So you got to use more. And here it is. It is very cool. You get to create your own. You know, just the top, just the bottom, and it's a fire imaginator, so you can do whatever you want easily.
kung ano ayaw mo, gamitin mo na lang yung absolute.
May amoy ulit. May lasa ulit.
Oh, may lasa daw na ng tubig. Rose, ano yung absolute dyan?
So here's Golden Queen. She's an Earth Skylander. She's a very cool. She can turn things to gold, turn magic. She has a really cool headdress right here, and she has a wand. Sorry, from the sorcerer class, duh. And she has a very cool dress. I actually played this one time, and if you use my friend let me play it in this Nintendo, so yeah, let me put it in my game. And here it is. It's pretty cool. Here it is. So she's golden, of course, and she has red eyes and red lipstick and a little
Can't turn on the TV.
It's very good. But comment down below which one is your favorite Skylander.
Hindi lakad, may binigay mo box. Oh.
And here's Master Kingpin. He has blades and he has a golden belt. He is a bird and does a cool thing here. And here's a part of the brawler class. Yep. And he has blades right here. He's like doing a dab. That would be cool. Like, oh. And yeah, he's a water Skylander. And there you go, baby.
Na tubig, na garapon.
Where's the game?
Dapat sila niya. Dapat nila yan.
So the game, I'm sure it's gonna be something cool, right? No, it's this, and it comes with this thing. Oh, so it says watch now on Netflix. Join free. And the Skylanders is gonna make and explain by an activity. Oh, download the app.
Now showing Black Panther.
So here it is. It's very cool. Yeah. thing, baby. Okay. You can either buy a figure, a shirt, or a card. The card is really cool because you just put it on the joystick and it'll be right there. So comment down the storyline that will be right here. And I'll be doing another video of these three gameplay, but I won't show how. So I'm gonna create a Skylander and play a few levels, and but I'm not gonna take a video of that. Then I'm gonna take a video where I want to continue, and we're also gonna be with these two masters. And comment down the storyline that will happen in this, because I'm gonna be making a series on YouTube about these three. So Kingpin trying to get him back, and Golden Queen trying to turn the gold. Yeah. So comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what do you think I should do next. And like this video, subscribe, and don't forget, peace, love, and stay awesome. Bye.